Where to get your protein from? Hi, my name is Regitze Simonsen. I have a Bachelor of Science degree in nursing, and I've been a nurse for over 15 years. I also have been vegan for over 25 years, and I studied nutrition at Stanford University, California. So where do you get your proteins? Proteins consist of amino acids, and there's 9 amino acids only that are combined into different kind of proteins. And actually all kind of food contain all amino acids, including plants. All plants contain all amino acids in various amounts, so there's no need to combine different plant foods. Like previously we thought, or scientists thought that you had to combine different plant foods in order to get all the amino acids, but they found out that all the amino acids are actually found in all plant foods. There's only one type where there's only 8 amino acids, and that's collagen. And collagen is only found in animals. So in all plants, they have all the 9 amino acids to form all kinds of proteins. And the plant food is actually the best kind of protein or amino acids to eat for our body to create protein from. That's the second best, because the best would be human flesh. I'm not encouraging anybody to eat human flesh, but it is because it's completely identical to ourselves, of course. But the second best is then plant foods that you can get all your protein from without eating excess amounts, because excess protein is actually very unhealthy for your body. So just eat a normal amount of, just eat so that you're full and you get enough calories from plants. That way you automatically get enough protein. It's so specifically made for human for the human body that if you eat enough calories from plants, you automatically get enough proteins also. So it's perfectly made for human beings. Comment below if you have any questions, and don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Share it with friends and family so they can be healthy also. And thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.